What part of the water system is this?
This is Manatee Creek.
Martin County Capital Projects Manager George Zama shows one of his department's biggest accomplishments of 2020.
What we had here before was a old concrete box culvert that was built in the 1950s. It was experiencing a lot of deterioration in the structure.
On Cove Road, just east of Dixie Highway, an old bridge over Manatee Creek was falling apart.
What's pretty neat about it is it's all segmented precast arch pieces that actually went together in a matter of 2 days. So we were able to accelerate the construction by closing the road and getting the whole project done actually within 80 days.
The old deteriorating bridge now has a new life that should last 100 years.
The bridge project was fully funded by the Board of County Commissioners under the Infrastructure Reinvestment Program.
Martin County's engineering department has a pretty simple mission.
Well, our goal is to provide safe, quality, cost-efficient infrastructure to the residents of Martin County.
From rehabbing busy county thoroughfares to rebuilding neighborhood roads and infrastructure, Zama's team was busy in 2020.
We did 3 major resurfacing projects on some of our major roads, such as Cove Road, Savannah Road, and Indian Street.
Much of those projects paid for with state grant funding.
Zama says the county is very good at using grant funding to get projects done. The 3.2-mile resurfacing project on Cove Road was funded by grant money at 85%, meaning county residents only paid 15 cents on the dollar to get the project done.
Parts of Savannah Road got resurfaced and new bike lanes were added. Portions of Indian Street and Cove Road were also resurfaced, all paid for mostly by grants.
A lot of the motorists were experiencing a lot of dips and depressions in the road, and a lot of folks don't see what's happening underneath the ground. We made those necessary repairs underground before we did our final paving.
And over in the Hobe Sound subdivision of Heritage Ridge, where it has been known to flood, parts of the road were raised over a foot, and new drainage and swales were installed to help manage water in the neighborhood.